The ad system is always getting updated by Meta. The AI that they have there might change every week, and you might have some ads that were approved at some point that won't be approved in the future, and the opposite as well. Maybe some ads that will be rejected today, you try them again in 2 weeks and they will be approved. But do you have 2 weeks to lose? Yes, I know you don't have that time to lose. So if you know that your ads are supposed to go in, you want them to go through, right? So that's what we're gonna talk about today. And I know how frustrating it can be, like having some ads rejected, and then the problem is, especially if you get too much ads rejected in the same time, you might get a flag on your ad account, and that flag will increase your cost, and then basically you will be like, but what the why my performance is getting shit now? The question is how many ads you got rejected in once. So the advice I have for you is to make sure that you always advertise smaller amount of ads, like smaller batches of ads in a row. I recommend you to never do higher than 10 ads in a row, even if they're the same, just to avoid that you have a sudden wave of rejection. If you get like 2, 3, 5 ads rejected in a row, you might see more and more ads getting rejected. That thing snowballs. And you know how it can be very glitchy sometimes to run ads, so you don't want that to happen. Especially if you had already well-performing ads that are running, and then suddenly those rejection will that flag your account, get it overall worse than usual. If you don't do anything about it, you need to wait like 2 months, 1 month, depends on the case, to have it back to the normal. You don't want to do that, right? So be careful about this and the amount of ads you're pushing, especially if you're trying like new angles, new avatars, you're not experienced with what you're testing right now. It's even more important to go slower in case there is something unexpected that happens, everything stays in control, okay? If you want to get your ads go through and set up your ads in a way with our assistance that they will go through, we're here to help you do that. So feel free to chat me and we'll see how we will make more ads getting approved for you so you can scale your business further, okay? I see you around, have a look to other videos, and don't forget to subscribe. See you.